Basic Mesh Gradient Tutorial and Simple Instructions. Start by making simple white shapes. You will be using the Direct Selection tool. Mesh tool may be hiding under Gradient tool, Eyedropper tool. Select the shape. Choose Mesh tool and click to create 2 new anchor points. Same for other shapes. I like to prepare a color palette beforehand. Select your shape. Using Direct Selection tool, select an anchor point. Choose Eyedropper tool and select your desired color. Continue this process for every anchor point. Make sure to switch between Direct Selection and Eyedropper tools, it can get repetitive. Use the same process for other shapes. Now to the fun part. Using Direct Selection tool, click on anchor points and drag them slightly for the liquid gradient effect. Use handles to move your flow of colors even more. You can switch up the colors as needed. Click on anchor points with Direct Selection tool to do this. Play around to discover new effects. And here once again is my